Okay, so today I am doing, or this video, I am doing a YouTube video. And I'm doing Rubik's Cubes for time. So I have not one, not two, not three, not four, not five, not six, not seven, not eight, not nine, not 10, but 11 of the same Rubik's Cubes. These I have never used, but I have scrambled all of them. Got them for free. So let's move these to the side for later. Okay? And then I love Rubik's Cube so much that I've done 3 artworks that you can learn about them by just drawing 2 learnabouts on them. So and then we have this one. You probably see them. It's the Panther, or whatever it's called. I think it's like Panther. When you put it in a cold environment, a hot environment, or just like heat up with your hands if your hands are hot and sweaty, the colors will show. So this is the max difficulty I have. Then I have a normal 3x3. This is only 3x3 I use, top off, in Las Vegas. But then I have 2 of these ball cubes. Now it is my sister's favorite right over there. And those are pretty easy to solve. And then I have the Megs and Minx. This is probably the most impressive because I can't solve it. I mean, that would be a miracle. But I can solve 2 sides at once. And then I have these pyramids, which are probably the easiest to solve. I can solve them in up to 3 seconds. So that's pretty cool. And here's the thing. I really want to do a giveaway for this because Yankees suck, Boston Celtics. The Boston Red Sox go, even though I have a Celtics jersey on, kind of weird, and that's why I said it. Anyways, we'll probably do a giveaway for this cube, okay? Anyways, and I have this weird thing. It's called a mirror cube. It's actually not supposed to, have, colors. It's supposed to be like a mirror on each side. And then you gotta, solve, the shape. So it's not mattered on color. And I have this one. This is one of my favorites. I can solve this, and it takes 3 minutes, and that is, the best ratio for me. And then I have a 2x2. It's kind of crappy because but it still works otherwise. This is my most or biggest cube. And it's a 5x5. And I can solve a side of any of, just normal cubes, like those, you know what I mean? And then we have this cube. This is probably the weirdest thing because it can shape shift. Anyways, also the mirror cube can. Anyways. Okay, I'm gonna drop this. Thanks. So here's the cube. I'm gonna drop in 3, 2, 1. See what happens. You can please see it completely explodes. So that's gonna take another 2 minutes. Anyways, sorry for that. Anyways, this is probably my easiest one to solve. And if you scramble it, you can probably accidentally solve it. That's how easy this is. Then I have another 2x2. This one has no missing pieces, so I would recommend that one. And then my second 4x4, and you can see these are different sizes, but they're just different brands. Thank you, and that is my Rubik's Cube collection and some notes. Pause. That's good.